Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum, with Matrix Clean, Home Mapping, 30-day capacity HEPA bagless self-empty base, perfect for pet hair, Wi-Fi, dark gray. Brand: Shark. Model name: AI Ultra. Special feature: self-cleaning brush roll, pet hair pickup, bagless, self-emptying. Color: dark gray. Product dimensions: 13.7 inch L x 13.7 W x 4.1 H. About this item: incredible suction. Powerful Shark suction picks up dirt and debris on all floor types, tackling even the toughest of messes in your home. No spots missed. With Matrix Clean navigation, the vacuum cleans in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris for whole home, deep cleaning coverage. It empties itself. The bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris, while its true HEPA filtration captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, down to 0.3 microns. Precision home mapping: 360 degrees LiDAR vision quickly and accurately maps your home so your robot can methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to everyday changes in the home. Perfect for homes with pets. With powerful vacuum suction, Shark self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system, the robot captures pet hair, dust, dander, and allergens with ease.